A simple recipe that is a bread toast sweet. The ingredients: dry fruits, 10 toast slices, half cup of sugar and 1 cup of milk, and badam mix, or you can use saffron, and 1 glass of water. Now prepare a sugar syrup. We are going to toast the slice. Add a little oil. Take the toast. Light fry. Now dip the toast into the syrup for 1 minute. Not 1 minute, for a while. Just take a pan and add milk. Now add 4 spoons of badam mix while we decorate the dry fruits. It's becoming thicker. Now add this mixture onto the. See, now we should place this in a refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour,